WUSA 9 Weather Impact Alert is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
Wind is the big weather story today, with strong winds pushing into the area as a front moves in. So that's going to be the main reason why we have a weather impact alert. We know when wind kicks up this strong, we could see gusts up to 50 miles per hour. That's enough to maybe snap a few weak tree branches, perhaps cause some isolated power outages. We know many people still have holiday decorations up, and so those things could blow around. That's why we've issued this weather impact alert. What's new? Falling temperatures, a tricky forecast today. We'll start off with those temperatures in the 40s and 50s, even getting up to around 60 degrees or so, and then dropping to the 30s by the end of the day. And what's next? Of course, that cold on the way, with much colder temperatures in the forecast for tomorrow. So let's take a look at your forecast. We'll see those temperatures still in the 50s and 60s for the first half of the day. By 8 a.m., 57, right around 58 and cloudy by 10 a.m. Could see an isolated shower pop up, but honestly, those chances are very small. The bigger impact that you'll notice today will be the wind and the falling temperature. 61 degrees by noon, even a little sun coming out by the afternoon, but the winds will continue to rage on. By 2 o'clock, we still have winds up to 21 miles per hour with the temperature around 53. And then look at that, by 4 p.m., dropping off to 45 degrees with those winds up to 22 miles per hour still, and then down to 39 by 6 o'clock this evening. So a front will come through, a little bit of Arctic air working its way back into the area, and that is why we'll see the colder temperatures. This is at about 9:30 this morning, and this was literally all I could find when it comes to some showers out there. Now, over western Maryland and West Virginia, there'll actually be some snow later on tonight into tomorrow morning. So there are some winter weather advisories that are going to go into a place for areas such as Grant County. The rest of us are going to stay out of it. By the time it gets cold, we don't have the moisture. And if you want snow, you got to get cold air and moisture together. And unfortunately, those two are not coming together for this weather event. But those breezy winds, oh, they're going to stick around for quite some time. So Monday, looking at gusts up to 50 miles per hour in western Maryland. You could see those winds gusting anywhere from 60 to 65 miles per hour over the mountains. And for the Metro DC area, those winds would gust anywhere from 40 to 50 miles per hour. Take a look at the winds over the next few hours. This is at 1 o'clock. We can see winds gusting 36 miles per hour in DC. Gaithersburg with the 43 mile per hour wind gusts. This is at about 2:30. An update here showing winds area wide gusting at more than 40 miles an hour consistently. And then this is at 5 o'clock in the evening. We're still seeing 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts. Even later on tonight, 10 p.m., winds are still raging on. Could even still see a gust, an odd one, up to 50 miles per hour at any point in the area. This model does show it potentially around the Gaithersburg area, so keep that in mind. Now, travel weather, if you're flying out for the New Year holiday, you're going to run into some issues as you head toward the Detroit and Chicago area with still some snow there. Rain for us all the way up through the Boston area and New York, and even around Atlanta. Could see some showers there as well. The rest of the country, just windy but dry in those areas today, so that's a look at your travel forecast. Now, temperature trend shows equal chances of above or below average temperatures, and then we're going to see above average temperatures across the rest of the country potentially as we get into that first week of January. But weather impact alert today and windy. We will see those temperatures at 37 for your Tuesday, 40s Wednesday, and back to the 30s for your Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.